Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can invite other people to your calendar event on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen or in the app library, open up the calendar app. And then in here, I'm going to open up my calendar. Next, tap on the add button and then give your calendar event a name. And then go down here and choose a location, or if this is a video call, now you can set when your event starts and when it will end. You can also choose if this event is going to be repeated or not. Next, you want to go down to the invitees section and tap on that. At the moment it is none. So in here you can tap on the add button and choose a contact that you want to invite. And after that, tap on done. Next, tap on the back key here to go back and then tap on add. And that's it. So we have now successfully created a new calendar event, and we also have invited other people to our event. Now we are just waiting for them to reply whether they want to accept or decline the event or the invitation. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.